Welcome to the University of Texas at Tyler High School Design slideshow. We hope the slideshow is informative for you, and we hope that if you have any questions that you will attend one of our upcoming parent meetings to talk about high school and how it will operate. The slideshow will take just a few minutes to go through. This slide shows the context of the program. Our goal is to align the high school with the university and how the university is currently operating. As we have entered the 21st century, learning technologies are starting to really change the way we teach and learn. And one of the ways we do this at the university is through PATS. And we would like you to click on the link below to learn more about PATS. This slide is to show the alignment between the Innovation Academy and UT Tyler's programs. There is overlap on these two slides, and you'll see that in light blue, and it's around dual credit. Once students are eligible for dual credit, they can start earning college credit for the core courses in the STEM majors. Remember, we are a STEM school, and our goal is to promote STEM education. The next slide will discuss eligibility. Dual credit eligibility is defined in the Texas Administrative Code in Title 19. We've highlighted the section here. As you can see, as a STEM academy, students can enroll in dual credit courses beginning in the 11th grade, or basically when they've completed their sophomore year. I'll let you read through this slide, and if you have questions, you can ask any of the school directors, and they can provide you with more information on eligibility. This slide is just a reminder that we do follow the Texas STEM blueprint for T-STEM academies. In the near future, we will be applying to the Texas Education Agency for Texas STEM designation. We can't do that until we actually have an operational high school, so it's not clear if we can apply as we start ninth grade or if we have to wait until we have ninth grade. We'll have more information on that in the near future. This excerpt is from the Texas Education Agency website. This is the state graduation plans. Moving from left to right, there's a foundation plan. We will not offer the foundation plan, as that's a plan that we just have no intention to offer. The second column is a plan that's no longer available to students this year. And that leaves the last two columns. Our expected plan is the distinguished academic plan that's described in the right-hand column, although we reserve the right to the recommended plan for transfer students. Students also have to earn an endorsement. As we said, we are a STEM school, so we will be offering the STEM endorsement, which is the first one. It is around a Texas STEM career cluster. Students will have lots of computer science, math, engineering, etc. But we will also offer a multidisciplinary studies certificate or endorsement for those students that transfer in. This is a slide that just shows in red the college courses that students could take. Just remember that the students who are not eligible for TSI will take these courses at the high school level. Just keep in mind that one high school credit is equal to 1 year-long course, whereas college credits typically are 3 credits per semester. There is some variation in some of the science courses with labs. There might be 4, but students can earn up to 42 college credits if eligible. This next set of slides is to discuss our STEM pathway. As an Innovation Academy, it's going to show the entire pathway from the elementary grades all the way up into the middle school and on through high school. And then, as we indicated, these should lead right into college STEM majors, things like biology, chemistry, engineering, health sciences, and etc. This is the UT Tyler Innovation Academy STEM pathway that we are currently operating under and plan to continue to operate. At the elementary level, we are offering Project Lead the Way Launch, grades 3 through 5. In grades 6 through 8, we are doing the middle school program, which is called Gateway to Technology. In high school, as a STEM academy, we tend to have to offer engineering, but we may be able to offer biomedical science, computer science, or one or a combination of those depending on the number of students. This slide is designed to show you a little information about Project Lead the Way. It is an approved career and technical STEM pathway in the state of Texas. It just happens to be the one UT Tyler serves the entire state as the provider for this program in the state of Texas. We prepare over 500 teachers each summer. There's over 100,000 students statewide enrolled in the Project Lead the Way program. It's been proven to be very effective, and there's a research base to support that. The elementary program is being integrated into the math and science classes at the Innovation Academy. These are modular programs, and students do design problems, collaboration, analysis, some computational thinking. As you can see from this picture, they build different structures and test them. The elementary program, hopefully your kids are talking about it. I believe it's been implemented at all 3 campuses now in the science class. The Gateway to Technology program is designed for grades 6 through 8. Like the Blanche in the earlier grades, it's designed to be a project-based, hands-on approach to STEM, and we are currently working to also do the VEX robotics through the Gateway program. Hopefully your students are involved in one of the VEX clubs. These are the independent units. Each unit's a 9-week unit. These are designed, like we said, grades 6 through 8. We are currently implementing design and modeling, automation and robotics, and I believe energy and the environment. We will be sending teachers this summer to be trained in flight and space, green architecture, the science of technology, magic of electrons, and medical detectives. And those will be added as we continue implementation. The high school options include engineering. Once again, very hands-on, project-based. Fits the Innovation Academy model and the STEM model very well. In fact, over half the STEM academies in the state of Texas use the Project Lead the Way High School engineering program. It's very rigorous, and it aligns well to kids going into the engineering program and gives them a good understanding of what engineering is. It's broken into several courses. The core courses include Introduction to Engineering Design, Principles of Engineering. The rest of those are considered specialty courses, and the students will be able to take a combination of those. We probably will not offer all of them, but we will be able to offer several of those. Another interesting feature of this engineering program is there's a national exam like the AP exam, and students will be able to test out of the Introduction to Engineering course at universities. Biomedical science is a health-focused pathway. Students learn about the health professions. Students are interested in going to nursing or into medicine as doctors or technicians. This would be a good program for them. But as I said, we can't offer all these because we're a small school, but these program pathways could be different by location. Something to consider. The biomedical science courses include Principles of Biomedical Science, Human Body Systems, Medical Interventions, and Biomedical Innovations, which is a combination of engineering and medicine. These courses would be very beneficial and would align well to our existing college programs in Longview and Palestine that are geared towards nursing. But once again, that's not a requirement that they align to all our programs, but this is one possible pathway. A new pathway that's in the pilot phase, the first course was offered last year nationally, is the computer science. This program has the advantage of being relatively inexpensive compared to the other two. But anyway, this consists of a computer science and software engineering course, computer science applications, and then there's some specialty courses, includes game development, things like that. And so we'll be keeping our eye on this program as it rolls out nationally. Now, in order to accommodate all the credits. The current 8 to 12 schedule will be difficult, so we are looking at extending the school day. We will need to seek an amendment to our charter to do this. We will also be adopting a university block schedule so that the students are aligned for courses, and then also students will have different options for delivery. Extracurricular activities are something that has come up in a number of our meetings. We have some options. The Texas Charter School Academic and Athletic League and UIL. UIL will not allow us to participate in athletics. So that said, we can do everything through the Texas Charter School League, but there may be a couple of UIL competitions we would want to spend the money in the area of music or in some of the academic areas. This is something that the design teams will be discussing, and parent input is welcome. There are also non-UIL competitions that are available. These include the East Texas State Fair Rodeo, that's free. Odyssey of the Mind is something we've been doing. There may be others that are available that we can participate in. And the 7 through 12, there's the Vex robots. We've already purchased these types of robots. Cyber Patriots is a program that's free that we could participate in, as well as some of the others below there. Odyssey of the Mind is not free, but the others are. And so those would be opportunities for our students. I also wanted to point out that technology, our students need to be fluent in multiple technology platforms. As the students get older, we need to adopt the systems used in STEM fields. These are typically not Macintosh-based computers, but we do want our students to experience all the different types of platforms, and who knows what the next platform will be like in 5 years anyway. But we do want students to be able to use the various appropriate level for their age. And finally, this is just an FYI. We would like when our students graduate to be able to get onto the STEM Premier website and create a profile. Now, this is something that the school will not do with the students. This would be something that you as a parent would have to do with your kid. But it's a portfolio tool which helps promote your kid as they try to get into college, and also as they leave college to get really good high-paying jobs. And it's good to start those portfolios early.